Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine and Eid Mubarak. It's been too long that I have uploaded a vlog because I got carried away with my daily routine. So in this vlog you will get to see how I spend my day during Eid. As I live in Saudi Arabia, here they do arrange Eid prayers for ladies as well. So we went to the nearby mosque for the Eid prayer. So the Eid prayer got over by 6:30 and the kids and the ladies, they started distributing chocolates and sweets to everyone. We just went to a nearby mosque and the place was really beautiful. So once the prayer was done, we were back home and then we had our breakfast. So here we prepared some South Indian breakfast and we had it. After having breakfast, took a nap and then immediately started with the lunch preparations as we plan to give food to some of our friends and neighbors. So I plan to make mutton biryani. For that I have taken around 1.5 kgs of mutton pieces. Washed the mutton pieces and then adding some ginger garlic paste to it. Then add some salt. Here I am adding rock salt. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Mix all the ingredients well along with the mutton pieces. Now adding around 2 cups of water. Close and pressure cook it until the mutton pieces become soft. Now starting with the preparations. So here I have taken around 7 onions, 5 large tomatoes, 2 lemons and 3 green chilies. Now the mutton pieces are also ready. Now let's get started with the biryani. Now adding some oil to the pot. Now adding all the whole spices into the oil. Here I have taken star anise, bay leaves, cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks and some mace. Now mix all these spices into the oil and wait until you get a nice aroma of all these spices. Make sure it's on a low flame. Then adding some roughly chopped onions to it. Mix it well. Wait until it becomes slightly golden in color. Then I'm adding some salt. Here I'm using rock salt. Once the onion becomes slightly golden in color, then add some ginger garlic paste. Here I'm adding around 6 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is completely gone. Then I'm adding green chilies and roughly chopped tomatoes to it. Then give it a quick mix. Here I'm adding 1 packet of Mehran biryani masala. And then I'm also adding 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now give it a nice mix. Now adding juices of 2 lemons. And then I'm adding 3 cups of lemon to it. So in case if you don't have lemon, you can add 2 cups of curd to it. This will give a very nice taste to our biryani. And now mix it well. Now once the oil starts separating, add all the cooked mutton pieces as well as the water to it. And then give it a nice mix. And then wait until the gravy becomes thick. Now Now you can see the oil starts separating from the gravy. That means our gravy is ready. Now it's time to cook the basmati rice. For that I have taken a pot full of water. To that I have added some whole spices, that is cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and then I'm adding some salt and oil to it. Now cover it and leave it until the water boils or becomes hot. Now as the water is in the boiling stage, I am adding the basmati rice. Make sure to soak the basmati rice in the water for at least 30 minutes before cooking. Now cook the rice until it's 70% done. Make sure not to overcook the rice. Once the rice is 70% cooked, drain the water completely from the rice and keep it separately. Now it's time to layer the biryani. For that, take a heavy bottom pot, add some oil to it, and then add some gravy at the bottom so that the rice doesn't catch at the bottom. And then add the first layer of rice to it, adding some gravy on the top of the first layer. Now I have added the second layer of rice, level it up, and then again add the gravy on the top along with the mutton pieces. Now adding the third layer of rice on the top, level it up. Now I am using 2 food colorings on the top. Here I am using orange food coloring as well as yellow food coloring, and garnish it with some coriander and mint leaves. Now I am adding around 6 to 7 tablespoons of ghee on the top. Cover it well and leave it on a low flame for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now preparing a sweet dish which is known as Pisam. To that add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee into a pot and add some cashew nuts. Roast it until it becomes slightly golden in color. Once the cashew nut becomes slightly golden in color, add some raisins and wait until it puffs up. Now I am adding Italian vermicelli to the ghee. Roast it for about 3 to 4 minutes until you get a nice aroma of the vermicelli. Make sure it is on the low flame. Once you get a nice aroma of this vermicelli, then add around 5 to 6 glasses of fresh full fat milk and keep stirring it continuously so that the vermicelli gets separated from one another. Now adding around half cup of condensed milk. Now here I am adding 1.5 cups of sugar. You can adjust it according to your taste. Now leave it until the milk boils on a very low flame. Meanwhile, I started preparing salad. Here I have taken some onions and cucumber. If you want, you can add carrot to it. To that I am adding some curd and then adding some lemon, and then add a juice of 1 lemon and some salt to it. I forgot to shoot it. And then mix all the ingredients well. Now our mutton biryani is ready to be served. Now make sure to mix the biryani very slowly so that the rice doesn't break. Now packing biryanis for our friends and neighbors. Now the payasam is also ready. It tastes delicious. So after having our lunch, we took a nap and then we went to a nearby beach. This clip was taken during the last Eid. Even during this Eid also we went to the same spot. I didn't take any new videos of this beach as I was already having few clips of this spot. For the last Eid we had gatherings at the beach. At this spot there was reflexology foot massage pathway where they have given all sort of instructions such as introductions, how to use it, benefits and warning. Here there are 3 different levels to walk and this is just like a massage for your feet. Hope you all like this vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.